So you're going the wrong way.
Oh,
I felt that.
was that on your side?
Yeah, I felt like it was right under my right foot. Yeah. Oh well. We'll just cut that part. Cut it from when you spun out to you finishing it. Damage report.
I don't see anything, bro.
Oh, it's ruined.
You think it just hit the frame rail?
Yeah. I felt like it was like halfway along the door.
It's freaking cold.
Yeah.
Cold.
You're so special. We saw the man do a little skirts. Went this way. Took it right here. Right here. Yeah. There he is.
Bro, he is so fast.
Yeah, he caught up to us quick.
Bro, he's fast. Oh, alright.
I like the car, dog, bro. You
Yeah.
can hit it. You can hit that slide.
dude, that shit is hard.
Yeah.
13 Z4. What year is this Miata, bro? Hell yeah. Yeah, boy.
I sent
Yeah.
Got the carbon fiber. Nice.
The wing
Oh, it's a wrap.
The engine is stock right now. I cut out and placed the resume.
Bro.
I was doing donuts at the mall.
Oh yeah.
You call my homie, he'll send me the videos right now.
You just dropped him off?
Yeah. You passed me. I was like, dude, there's some.
Oh, they're chopping him up.
And then I go, oh, it's this goddamn Miata. I'm gonna catch this.
Show this Mustang those bots. Check me out.
Show that Mustang his boss.
I drifted it and I didn't hit anything.
Look how far he's shaking right now. So we're not doing anything?
Well, I mean, I can spark up.
Oh yeah, they love that.
Well, I mean, they won't know.
By spark up, you mean spark some knowledge in your brain, because we're gonna go study, right?
Those are women, dude. Why aren't they mad?
We have to cut that.
You want to film driving on the park?
How are you gonna get up on the park? Yeah, it's just a really wide sidewalk. Yeah, I guess let's go.
Are you filming?
Yeah. This is absurd. But I guess if you're gonna buy a Miata, you kind of have to do this. Yeah. Get on this side. So peaceful and quiet.
Look, I want to take a cruise around the entire park.
I don't wanna get stuck.
Reverse. Yeah, I don't want to get stuck.
Take two. Oh man, it's starting to rain. Wait, that was the turn back there, wasn't it? Oh, this is it. It's so pretty. Well, we'll just hurry up. Dude, it is full rating now. Oh my god, it feels so weird. Dude. Alright, chilling. Take it right there.
We can't.
Okay.
Here we go. We back on track. We back on track, baby. We back on track.
Oh, the camera.
Right here.
Sheesh. This should be Mazda's advertisement for the Miata.
Now we're gonna top up under this tree. Alright. Damn. Now we
Mission success.
Now we hit a sick drift.
And get food.
Yeah.
That was sick. I want to get food. You're so dumb.
I'm not dumb.
It's disturbing. That was like a documentary bite. We can't put this on the video. It's gonna make people so uncomfortable. You ate in one bite. That's a one bite amount of food. Yes, it is. Do in one bite. Unless you're like a little girl. Are you a little girl? And you gotta grab your little. You're so not ready to go. Key has been put back together. Flip it on, flip it on. Do it. 4, 3. Oh, it's raining.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were him.
Oh!
Where's the bite?
I'm gonna go pee.
Oh my god, that was gross. Why'd you make that sound? Fucking pig.
I'm blurring that out and I'm muting you.
Oh my god, that's severe. What is that?
It's a ball.
Look how masterful I am. Oh, they didn't even see it.
Do you know anything about rolling down in the deep?
Oh yes. Oh yes.
What was that have to do with any of that? What was that in reference to?
In reference to you going home because you're not.
I am going home. You're going to my place right now.
Yeah, we're gonna drive right past it.
This is interesting. This cop's waiting for your hooligan. Can we say on YouTube? If it's bleeped, then we can't say it.
That'd be cool in the middle of the intersection.
Bam, hit. That dude would have murdered us. Oh, checking out the car. Oh, let me get a shot under the car. Bam, bam,
Bam! Bam!
They're dead.